Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. As you could tell from the title, we are going to do a comparison today of two vendors from Printify. So I do have a Shopify store called Touch Me Textures where we sell women's clothing and accessories, but I also have an Etsy shop that I sell t-shirts on, and it's a print on demand store. I recently started it where I've always wanted to get into this print on demand, but I've been back and forth with it. I've been playing around with it a little bit, but I finally decided to take it serious. So I watched a couple of videos here on YouTube, and there was one YouTuber who made so many videos and she made an impact on me that I said, let me just dive right in. She gives a lot of information for free, which is not found here on YouTube. I'm gonna link her channel below. I honestly don't remember her name right now at the making of this video, but I will link her channel below so you guys could see who I'm talking about. But I said, let me just dive right in, put everything in place that she told us to, and see what happens. It's been less than a month since I started listing. I haven't made any sales yet, but I'm not gonna give up. She gives us places where you could get free graphics, and not free, but where to get graphics and stuff to put. There are places for free graphics, and I'm going to do another video on that. But within this video, what I wanted to do is I put up some designs on Etsy using Printify, and I just wanted samples to see actually the quality of the clothing. I've ordered stuff from Etsy before, but I only order one style of t-shirt, so I just wanted to see the quality of the two to see which one should I really focus on. Most of my designs go on white shirts, and white can be a very funny color. Sometimes they come out bright white, sometimes they come out dingy white, like a yellowish white. You know how white is. If you don't wear them this summer, don't intend to wear them next summer, because by then they're dingy. So I said, okay, let me check out the quality. So I ordered two samples. They have different designs, and I just want you to see what they look like, and let you know what my opinion is on it. So I'm going to show it to you first, and then I'm going to try it on. So the first design that I have up on Shopify is this design right here. It's just, I have it folded still. It's just a pattern of roses in different colors, and it's on the front of the shirt. Okay, let me just open it up so you could see it better. This shirt is in extra large because I like my shirts big, and these girls that I have in front of me right here needs coverage, so I got it in an extra large. So this is the design of one shirt, and the vendor that I used to print this shirt, or the style of shirt I should say, is this is the Bella Canvas 3001. I know you've heard about it before, saying that they are the best. So this is a jersey style cotton tee, and the vendor that I used to print it is Monster Digital. They come highly recommended on Printify, so that's why I went with them. I know there are other vendors that you could use to print. There's a list of others that are very good that's there, but for the first I went with Monster Digital. And then this is the style of t-shirt is the Bella Canvas 3000, and I must say that the white is very vivid. I don't know if it comes across on camera. I really hope it does. The white is very vivid, and the cotton is super soft. That I appreciate. So that's what I like about it. And the extra large looks like a real extra large. Now the other design that I have is from same Monster Digital vendor. However, it's a different t-shirt. It's white, and this is the design that I have on it. So this is in honor of Independence Day, 4th of July. So as you see, it's a butterfly. It has the American flag, somehow depicted on the butterfly, and right below it has the word freedom. I don't know if you could tell. I'm going to put the shirt side by side so you could tell. But this t-shirt is the Gildan Heavy Duty 5000. So this is the style of t-shirt that I'm using. And yes, it is not as soft as the Bella Canvas 3000. The color to me is off. It is not as white as I would like it to be. I don't know if it's just this particular shirt or this is just how their whole wash is, but it has a yellow tinge to me. I'm gonna put them side by side so you can see. And the vendor that I used to print this is also Monster Digital, which they really do a really good job. But to see the difference, let me just fold it on the outside like this. We're not gonna show the pattern, we're just gonna show the color. So this is the Gildan 3000, and let me put the other one on the shoulder, on my other shoulder. And this is the Bella Canvas 3001. I know you can see the difference. Let me move my hair out the way, or my wig I should say. This is the Bella Canvas 3000 over here, and this is the Gildan 5000. There is another style from Gildan called the Cotton Ultra 2000. I haven't used that one yet. Maybe I should give that one a try so I could really compare, because I don't want to bash Gildan for their shirts, because I know they're very good quality shirts. I've heard of them, you know, they sell really good quality sweatshirts and t-shirts. But as of now, my favorite is the Bella Canvas 3000. I plan to get into sweatshirts. I don't want to have to stick to just one vendor, because for some reason, if an order comes through and I run out of a particular style, I want to be able to tell the vendor, go ahead and print it on this one, knowing that I will be comfortable that the fact that the customer is still going to get quality. But at this point, my favorite is the Bella Canvas 3000. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to try it on for fit. I haven't tried them on yet. It just came in the mail, and I said, let me get a quick video out to you guys just to show you the comparison. So if you're thinking about doing this, then you know which vendor to stick with and which style of t-shirt to use for your print on demand business. Of course, I'm gonna have other videos coming to you regarding this, because like I have videos on Shopify helping you what to. I'm gonna go in and show you how to go about doing this business, because as they say, as you learn, you teach. So that's my my motto. So let me try these on to see how they're sitting. I'm gonna put it on right over this. Okay, and like I said, they're both in extra large. I don't want to get makeup on. Okay, so the fit is good. What I would usually do is, I'm not a fan of crew neck, so I would take a pair of scissors and just cut right down the middle. I'll probably meet the butterfly right here. But this is the fit of the extra large, and you see how the butterfly is sitting. And like I said, it's a heavy cotton tee. I think if I wear a particular color bottom, it's not gonna be so obvious that it's not white. You know, you could get away with it. Maybe I could wear it to the gym or something. But this is the fit. Nice coverage, cover the booty area. And that's how this Gildan 5000 looks. Let me try on the other one. The fit, the quality of the material is kind of rough. It's not as soft. Well, you guys already see which direction I'm leading in. Okay, let's try on. Let us try on the Bella Canvas. I don't want to mess this up because I have plans for this for a cute little outfit. All right. So this is the look of it. I'm sorry, I'm already biased, like I said. Bella Canvas for the win. It feels a little bit more luxurious. It feels like something you would find in like a high-end store. I'm talking about the quality of the shirt. I still like the pattern. Like I said, I have plans for an outfit for this, not jeans. I think I have a skirt and some Converse. And I just like this pattern. It's really pretty. So there you have it, guys. That is my opinion. Okay, let me sit back down so you can see my face. It's rude. I have to talk to people and look in their face. Get this chair. So yeah, this is it, the Bella canvas. This I think I will leave in a crew neck. I honestly do, because I think it would spoil the whole of this. So yeah, the Bella canvas, it feels so soft, and I know from washing my other one, I have another one like this in black with a different pattern on the front that I bought from another vendor in Etsy, that it washes very well. The print will not fade. It's just real good. Yes, I like Gildan stuff, but maybe not in white. I'll give it another try in another color and see how that goes. But yeah, if you're considering doing a print on demand business and you're not sure which vendor or which style of t-shirt to use when you're on Printify, because that is my choice of print on demand supplier, Printify come highly recommended, and I think I will stick to them. I actually used some other vendors before. Honestly, I did not like the way the things came out, just from doing testing and all of that, so I came right back to Printify. But if you're thinking of doing a print on demand business, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna have a playlist directed specifically for it called Print on Demand, Etsy, Shopify, and I'm going to upload videos to help you through just getting everything up and running. Because like I said, I've been doing this for less than a month, and I haven't seen any sales yet. I have over 100 listings on Etsy, and I know pretty soon my sales are gonna come, so I'll just keep working at it. And it's so easy to do. You don't have to come up with these designs on your own. There's a place to get them, several places that you could get them, and I will show you and walk you through everything. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do in the next video yet, but look out for another video coming from me real soon regarding print on demand. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up this video, leave a comment if you wish. If you have a specific question that I may be able to answer, I'll try my best to do so. And remember, I will link the YouTube channel below that I've been following, that's been helping me with everything. So I thank you for watching, and until next time, be sure to take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.